Hello everyone, and welcome. The field of data science is rapidly evolving. It's no longer enough to simply analyze data and build models. Today, companies need professionals who can take those models and integrate them into real-world applications. That's where machine learning engineering comes in. This video is about empowering you, as data scientists, to acquire the skills needed to bridge the gap between modeling and deployment, giving you a significant advantage in this exciting job market. Let's talk about why this transition to ML engineering is so crucial. Think about it. Organizations today are swimming in data. They are eager to leverage this data to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and create entirely new products and services. But what good is a powerful predictive model if it's sitting on your laptop, unable to impact the real world? Companies need individuals who understand the entire life cycle of an ML project. From data collection and cleaning to model deployment, scaling, and monitoring, this holistic understanding is what sets ML engineers apart. When you can seamlessly navigate between the worlds of data science and software engineering, you become an invaluable asset. Now, let's delve into the practical aspects of becoming an ML engineer. A well-structured ML engineer course will equip you with a powerful toolkit. You'll gain hands-on experience with software engineering principles, learning how to write clean, efficient, and maintainable code. DevOps, a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations, will become second nature to you, enabling you to deploy and manage models reliably. And of course, you'll dive deep into the world of ML pipelines. Imagine building systems that automate the entire workflow, from data ingestion and pre-processing to model training, evaluation, and deployment. This isn't just about theory. The best courses, like the Machine Learning Engineering course for software developers, emphasize real-world applications, giving you the confidence to tackle complex challenges. Chapter 3. Unlocking new opportunities and higher salaries. Now let's address the elephant in the room: career advancement and earning potential. It's no secret that ML engineering roles often command higher salaries compared to pure data science positions. This is a direct reflection of the in-demand skills and expertise you bring to the table. By acquiring these skills, you're not just adding a few lines to your resume, you're opening doors to a wider range of opportunities. Perhaps you're passionate about building large-scale recommendation systems, or maybe you're drawn to the challenge of deploying ML models on edge devices. ML engineering provides the technical foundation to pursue these exciting career paths. Remember, you're not just transitioning to a new role, you're investing in your future. Outro: take the next step in your data science journey. As we've discussed, the world of data science is evolving rapidly. The demand for professionals who can build and deploy ML models at scale is only going to increase. The best ML engineer course for data scientists is your gateway to acquiring these in-demand skills and propelling your career forward. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned data scientist, this path offers an incredible opportunity for growth. I encourage you to embrace this evolution, invest in yourself, and step into the future of data science as a highly skilled ML engineer.